The Viper 40 Micro is a revolutionary weapon system that blurs the lines between conventional munitions and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Small enough to fit inside a standard combat vest, the Viper 40 is not only portable, but incredibly versatile. At a lightweight 450 grams, it can be quickly deployed and controlled, providing soldiers with a real-time bird's-eye view of the battlefield. Launched from standard grenade launchers, like the M320, this mini drone can be rapidly deployed in high-pressure situations. Once it's in the air, the Viper 40 loiters above the target zone, offering up to 25 minutes of flight time with a maximum range of 5 kilometers. And here's the real kicker. It's accurate up to 1,000 meters. So whether you're targeting stationary enemies or adapting to targets that are on the move, the Viper 40 delivers precise, real-time targeting capabilities. With a speed of 15 meters per second, it's fast enough to catch up with moving targets while maintaining its line of sight. Don't let its small size fool you. This tiny powerhouse is built for battle, delivering pinpoint accuracy in the toughest of situations. Whether you're faced with sudden ambushes or need to track moving targets in chaotic urban settings, the Viper 40 ensures you've got the tactical advantage. It seamlessly integrates with existing hardware and requires minimal setup, making it a must-have for today's modern soldiers. Meet the Robust Robotic Combat Vehicle, MRCV, a game-changing autonomous military vehicle. Built on the BLR-2 platform, fitted with the powerful Mate 30 turret, it carries a 30mm automatic cannon and a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun, providing devastating firepower to neutralize enemy targets with ease. The virtual gunner system enables automatic target recognition, allowing the Robust to detect, track, and prioritize multiple targets in real time. Imagine a vehicle that can create a smart fire plan on its own, deciding which targets to engage first based on threat levels, all while maintaining auto-tracking on multiple enemies. It comes equipped with an autonomous capsule drone for forward reconnaissance. This UAV can take off, land, and operate independently, providing a bird's-eye view of the battlefield while feeding real-time intelligence back to the vehicle's command systems. Whether it's day or night, in rain or shine, the Robust performs flawlessly. The commander and gunner each have independent sights, and with a full 360-degree situational awareness system powered by passive sensors developed by Elbit Systems and Foresight, there's no blind spot. At the heart of its maneuverability is the virtual driver system, which enables edge autonomous driving. With its advanced sensors, autonomous navigation, and lethal firepower, this machine is ready to lead the charge in the next generation of warfare. The Rogue One is a cutting-edge unmanned aerial system, UAS, designed to provide small military units with the capability to engage threats effectively and precisely. With burst speeds exceeding 70 miles per hour, a 30-minute flight endurance, and an impressive range of over 10 kilometers, the Rogue One brings unprecedented versatility, survivability, and firepower to modern warfare. It can navigate and execute missions autonomously, even when under electronic warfare or in GPS-denied environments. Designed with low cognitive demand, the Rogue One allows a single operator to control the entire system, which features advanced autonomy for fully autonomous engagements. With a modular payload system, you can customize it for a variety of roles, from lethal precision strikes to dedicated surveillance missions. Whether you're targeting enemy personnel, armored vehicles, or simply gathering intel, Rogue One can be equipped with the right payload for the job. One of its unique advantages is the forward fragmentation warhead and explosively formed penetrator capabilities, allowing it to take out both soft and hard targets with surgical accuracy. But what sets Rogue One apart is its ability to disengage, retask, and even safe recover and reuse, a first-of-its-kind system that offers unparalleled mission flexibility. The Rogue One is more than just a drone. It's a force multiplier that brings versatility, lethality, and survivability to the forefront of combat. Its vertical takeoff and landing capability, combined with its advanced gimbaled sensors and modular payloads, make it an indispensable tool for modern military units. Introducing the NH-90C, a multi-role maritime helicopter designed for modern naval forces. This helicopter performs a variety of essential naval roles, From anti-submarine warfare and anti-surface unit warfare to tactical transport, it is built to adapt to evolving mission needs. Armed with cutting-edge sonar systems and advanced sensors, this helicopter can detect and engage submerged threats with incredible precision. It's equipped with a dipping sonar and sonobuoys, which allow it to identify enemy submarines at various depths and in challenging conditions. It can engage and neutralize surface threats, such as enemy ships, with powerful air-to-surface missiles and torpedoes. Its onboard radar and targeting systems allow it to track multiple targets simultaneously, ensuring that naval forces have the upper hand in surface warfare operations. Beyond its lethal capabilities, it excels at maritime transport and rescue missions. With a large, adaptable cabin, it can transport personnel, cargo, and equipment to and from naval vessels, making it indispensable for logistical support. Its advanced autopilot systems enable it to perform critical rescue missions in rough seas or extreme weather. Its all-weather radar and 360-degree situational awareness ensure that the crew has full visibility of their environment, regardless of external conditions. Its self-defense systems, including countermeasures against missile threats, make it a highly survivable asset in contested environments. Introducing the Reaper, Ohio Ordnance Works' latest innovation in battlefield supremacy. Designed to dominate the modern combat environment, this is the Recoil-Enhanced Automatic Precision Rifle, or Reaper, a belt-fed, air-cooled, 338 Norma Magnum system, engineered to deliver devastating firepower with unmatched accuracy and flexibility, providing a maximum effective range of 1,600 meters. Whether engaging distant targets or in close-quarters combat, this rifle gives operators the firepower and precision needed to overwhelm the enemy at long distances, allowing operators to switch seamlessly between semi-automatic and fully automatic modes. This provides maximum flexibility, giving small units the ability to adapt to rapidly changing combat scenarios. At the heart of the Reaper's design is Ohio's patented MDF feed tray. This innovative feature not only supports belt-fed ammunition, but also accommodates all modern optics and weapon accessories, making the Reaper a truly modular weapon system. With a patented design that allows for a one-handed barrel change, operators can smoothly swap barrels without the need to engage additional locking devices. Utilizing a recoil-operated system, the Reaper is built for extreme durability while maintaining simplicity. Fewer moving parts mean greater reliability and ease of maintenance, making it a rugged choice for extended missions in harsh environments. With its lightweight, compact design, the Reaper is easier to maintain and keeps troops in the fight for longer. And there you have it, 5 of the most advanced, lethal, and futuristic weapons. These innovations are redefining how battles are fought, from the ground to the sky and beyond. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing military tech videos.